Namaste, I'm Dhruvika, design team member at CrafTangles. So let's see what I have got in my next DT kit. So I open this and I have lovely watercolors, the evergreen vibrant violet and the blackberry. Here I have the mystical waters and the pretty peony, the pumpkin orange and the soulmate, the beautiful oranges. I have the green blues here and this. So yeah. And I've also got the poolside blue and the lemon tart. These are really some beautiful colors that I've been wanting to have in my stash. So these are the watercolors I have. Now I have two pastes as well. So this one is called the clear texture paste gloss. It's in 120 ml and it's a clear gloss. So I think this is a beautiful thing. And here I have, it's called the Mixed Media Essentials Texture Paste Gold and again in 120 ml. And I think it's a beautiful jars that I have. Okay, now I have 3 boxes and the pretty colors here. See, so this is called the mica powder copper. These are the resin pigments and I think I can use it on my paper as well. So this one I have in jade and this one is in amethyst. Okay, so I also have pretty sequences. Oh, there's so many. See, so this one is a beautiful clear sequin bead. It is called the transparent rectangles. This one is called the seed beads gunmetal. Oh, how lovely are these. Okay, and this one is called the fern green. Beautiful, and these are all in 20 grams. Okay, and this one, I have been waiting for this one. These are small little hearts in white and it's white matte hearts. These are the sequin beads again, which says the coral red. And these are super lovely. This is golden rectangles and this one out here is the anti-gold strips. These are strips. So I think I have now huge stash of the sequins here. That means you're going to see a lot of shaker cards. Okay, so I also have quite a lot of stamps. Oh wow, I have few dies also. I'll just keep this aside. Okay, so I'll start with the stamps. So this one is called the Friends Forever. Beautiful plants out here. I have been waiting for this. And the super lovely delicate flowers. I think this is so beautiful. So, and I think the whole background can be made with this. And I also have a checkered. Checkers are also good. If you really want to do some kind of heat embossing, I'll show you how we can do this one. And beautiful lovely dies which says fireworks. And here I have the Lakshmi Ji's feet. It says Diwali, Happy Diwali, Shubh Diwali, Om Satya. I think we've got everything here. And it's a beautiful layered diya. You see, you can make a diya and some intricate designs. And of course, the lanterns. So I think it's a beautiful Diwali themed kit this time. And I really love these dies because not a lot of Indian products have these. And this is another very beautiful stamp set. Of course, this I'm going to tell you how we can use it. And the jars that I got for the base and the mica colors, which are amazingly beautiful. Okay, so and the sequins that we saw. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them, and these are lovely and so festive and amazing colors. So I think it's going to be a fun time.